Hello everyone, welcome back to other video content. Today I'm going to show you how to configure standard IPV4 ACL on router. There are two routers that we need to configure ACL. So let's start on configure on router 1. User need to use authentication to log in on router 1. So we need a password, another password to enable mode. So we start go to configuration mode. In this step, we need to create a standard ACL name admin with device. Okay, standard ACL name admin VTY. And step 2, we need to permit single host PCC can access to admin VTY ACL. So we use command permit. So we start to type IP address of PC3 or PCC. Here is IP address. Can copy. Commit. Okay, now we already allow PCC can access to ACL admin VTY LAN. In this step, we can show the ACL that we have configured. Do show access list. Yes, it is the access list that we have configured on it, and is standard IP access list. We set name admin VTY with the permit number 10 with IP address 192.168.2.50. Okay, now let's start configure on router 2. On router 2, admin 01. Enable mode. Password yes. So we go to configuration mode on router 2. So in this step, we need to configure a standard IPV4 ACL to restrict access to PINK LAN. Here is the network infrastructure. Step 1, we need to create access list number 10 that we have remark ACL to PINK LAN. This is the name that we set on the configuration to make us easy when troubleshooting. So we use command access list number 10 remark. So in this we set name to make sure and we easy to troubleshoot. So I remark ACL to PINK LAN. Yes. So step 2, start to permit PCC can read to PINK LAN. We're using command access list number 10 permit command is allow PCC can access to PINK LAN host. So we start the IP address of PCC 192.168.2.50. And step 3 we permit only the half of host on yellow LAN can reach PINK LAN. We use command access list number 10 permit. So we start the put IP address and wildcard mask 192.168.1.0 wildcard mask 0.0.0.127. This is /25. And we start permit the other one access list number 10 permit IP address 172.16.1.0 wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. This is /24. Okay, now let's start configure. Move to the step 4. Configure permit all of the hosts on blue LAN can reach the PINK LAN. This is on router 2. So on router 2 we have much more configuration than router 1. So we use command in access list. This is access list number 20. Access list number 20 remark. We set the name of access list ACL to blue LAN. This is we just remark to when we have any issue we can easy to troubleshoot on it. So after we remark the access list already, so we need to configure permit or deny any IP address on a blue LAN. We're using command access list Number 20, permit. Permit, it means that allow. Permit, so we need to specific host or IP address that we want to allow access ACL to blue LAN. So we need a specific IP 192.168.1.100. So we start to deny IP address. It means don't allow network or PC access to blue LAN. Using command access list number 20, deny. Deny it means block network. Do not allow the network access to blue LAN. So this is we need to specific network that we want to block. We set host, computer host or network address that you don't want to allow. So this network is 192.168.1.0. So wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. This is a /24. And we use the other command to allow any. It means that any network can access to blue LAN, but accept the network 192.168.1.0 and wildcard mask 0.0.0.255/24. This network is denied access to blue LAN. Access list permit. Access list number 20, permit any, means allow any network access to blue LAN. So we go to the interface G0/0 to assign the access group in or out. So in this network infrastructure, we need to configure IP access group on group 20 and group 10. Allow access to outside. IP access group. We go to interface first. int G0/0 IP access group 20. int G0/1 IP access group number 10 out. Do copy run start to self configuration. Yes, and this configuration is finished. It is can reachable. Okay, if you have any question or do you have any suggestion, you can comment below on the videos, and you can also check out my website. So everyone can visit my website to see all configuration that you need. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.